Hello, everyone. I can't believe what is happening to me right now. Like, it feels like a dream. I know to some people this might feel like it is normal, but to me, I am happy. I'm overwhelmed. Like, few months ago, I'm at 27 subscribers, but I just on my birthday, I just feel like God. What am I going to use to mark my birthday? I just feel like let me just revive my YouTube channel back. And you won't believe, and as of then I was at 27 subscribers, and presently I'm at 370 something. Let me just say 370 subscribers as at today that I'm filming this video. I can't believe it. From 27 to 300 plus. Oh, I never thought I could do this. I can't believe this is happening to my channel right now. Like, I'm happy. Wow. This is oh God. This is amazing. So you, yes, you that are watching right now, if you've been thinking of starting a YouTube channel, but you are afraid, or you are doubting yourself, can I do it? I don't think I can do it. This video is for you. Because just like a few months ago, I was right where you are. I was at 27 subscribers. As I did, I remember 2020, 2022. I opened this exact channel 2022. I did a get to know me first of it official video on this channel. So then I was like, I will take my YouTube channel. I'll be serious with my channel because I have two sisters, like my cousin and my biological sister. They have a YouTube channel. So they were the one that says, "Oh, Moladi, you can do it. You can do it." And to me, I'm feeling like, I don't think I can do this. I don't think I. So then it was that my sister, she shoots my video, she edits it for me. Then so I was like, I can't do it. So, part of me was saying you can do it. Part of me is telling me you can't do it. But that my sister was like, do it, you can do it. So then after then I remembered where we were staying before, I shoot a market video. So since then I did not remember. I just left my YouTube channel. I was just watching other people channel, watching film, watching creators enjoying themselves. So on my birthday, I remembered I said I don't want anything for my birthday. Like, I don't want to celebrate, I don't want anything. I just want to thank God. So as I was thanking God, I was like, God, what is the next thing that I need to do? So something just dropped in my mind that I left my YouTube channel for over 3 years. Like why don't I just go back, start creating content? So since then, that was June 5. So by the way, I'm a teacher. So I don't really have time like that. I'm a teacher and I have business that I'm doing also. And I'm a clergy wife too. My husband is a priest. So that will not make me have enough time to create content or to shoot videos that I wish to shoot like that. So because there was no time enough time for me. So on my birthday, I remembered I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do that. So and that day I pick up my channel, I posted a short video, people subscribe, and from there people started subscribing to my channel. I started shooting videos. Sometimes if I want to go to school, I will batch film. When I batch film, my husband will edit it for me, and sometimes he will even be the one to post it on my channel. At some point I feel like, can I really do this? Does this really worth it? But what did I do? I kept showing up every time, even when it is not convenient for me. I kept doing it because I know that I have joy. Like, I am happy doing this, even when there was no time, even when the likes guys, even when the comments didn't come. Sometimes the only people that watch my videos or comments, they were my cousin, like that my cousin that I told you about. Shout out to you, Wumi's TV and Folakemi Space. They were the one that they will watch my video. They will comment, and I'll be like, oh, people are not watching. They'll just tell me, they will encourage me. And my husband too, you usually watch my videos and also like and comment too. When I just want to tell you that even when it is only one person that is commenting on your account, just know that if I can grow from 27 to 300 subscribers, this is real. This is not fabricated. It might feel like, to some people it might feel like this number is just 300. To me, it is a proof that growth is possible. You that you are waiting whether to start your channel or not to start, Someone out there is waiting for you to hear your voice. Someone out there is waiting for you for your channel. There is something in you that you can ditch out, and other people are waiting for you so that they can learn from that thing. So let me tell you something. I didn't have the perfect setup. I didn't even know how to edit like I can't even up to now I can't edit. I didn't even know which content to stick to. But what did I do? I started anyway. I learned as it went. I am here, growing, evolving, and encouraging you to take that bold step, that first step that you need, because you never know how far you can go until you begin. So if you are sitting on the fence whether to start your channel, you don't know what to do, start now. Start anyhow. Start with real. Start with you. If I can turn from 27 subscribers to 300, you can too. And one day we will all look back and say, yes, we finally did it. We'll get monetized. I will feel like, yes, I did it. If I can do it, you can. So I am here, and I'm here. See me here growing, evolving, and encouraging you to take that bold step. So if you are sitting on the fence, yeah, you're in, here you're out, and you're still contemplating whether to start your YouTube channel, please start now. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Start with real. Start with you. I know I am not where I want to be. I am not monetized yet, but I feel like someone out there needs to hear this. If the comments are not coming, if the views is not coming, calm down, it will come. So with 300 subscribers, I am here, I am happy. So you can also do it. Just know that if Omolade Molly Space, if Molly Space can get to 300 subscribers, you can also get to it. This is not fake, this is real. If this spoke to you, let me know in the comment section. If you are on the verge of starting your own YouTube channel, cheers to you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video to someone that need it, and don't forget that we need to make this money together, and we need to grow together. So please, if you feel like, if this video minister to you, share it to someone that needs to hear. Thank you, and see you in my next video.